Welcome to my AI creative production and marketing portfolio. I'm Cheryl Vaca, and my work focuses on applied AI workflows, creative experimentation, and integrating emerging technologies into the creative process. My multidisciplinary background is founded on graphic design, production art, marketing, and creative operations. I combine traditional design rigor with AI-assisted creative production and intelligent workflow design. This portfolio highlights three key areas: my foundational design expertise, AI integration into production pipelines, and a philosophy that positions AI as an accelerator, not a replacement for human creativity. My AI tools and platforms ecosystem is highly practical, spanning text generation, image synthesis, video production, and rapid prototyping. It includes core AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini, generative tools like Adobe Firefly and Photoshop Generative AI, and production platforms like Gamma and Meta Business Suite. Each tool is selected for specific workflow use cases and integrated into real production environments. I develop and manage custom GPTs for recurring creative and marketing tasks. These specialized AI assistants transform a general-purpose AI into a focused workflow partner. This process involves meticulous prompt engineering, workflow automation to encode processes into reusable instructions, and continuous iterative refinement based on usage and feedback. See Her Artwork is my live testing ground for AI-assisted marketing. I deploy AI-generated visuals and social campaigns for real outcomes, not just theoretical exercise. This includes AI-generated promotional graphics for social media, AI-assisted campaign development from audience research to visual concepts, and rapid AI-assisted branding experimentation. Adobe Firefly and Photoshop Generative AI tools are central to my creative workflow. I use them for sketch-to-image workflows and AI-assisted image refinement, preparing final assets in Photoshop through compositing, color correction, and layering. The key principle is that AI handles generation and iteration, while my human expertise directs the process and ensures final quality and polish. I developed several playing card game concepts featuring AI-generated artwork, including 2 Art Deco-themed decks and 2 jungle-themed decks, each containing over 52 stylistically consistent illustrations. These projects demonstrate large-scale style consistency, production workflow management, disciplined post-processing, and print preparation for commercial output. I use Gamma for AI presentation creation, combining AI-assisted research synthesis with intelligent layout generation. This results in polished, visually rich presentations at remarkable speed, demonstrating a mastery of structured layouts and visual storytelling. The workflow starts with structuring source material and culminates in a visually compelling presentation structure. I'm developing AI-assisted web prototypes using Manus and Gamma to move from concept to functional sites rapidly. These prototypes, such as Pocket Pantry and a multi-path portfolio, explore AI-assisted UX ideation and rapid concept validation, demonstrating a forward-looking approach to AI web production capability. My practice is built on continuous learning and a strong AI workflow philosophy. I see AI as an accelerator to human-directed workflows focused on production-focused implementation. I'm open to creative collaborations and partnerships that push the boundaries of what is possible when human creativity meets intelligent tools.